Today we are going to talk about the story or part of the story of the Israelites where they are about to pass the Arnon Gorge. So the story was about them, and they are about to pass by this area so-called the Arnon Gorge. Supposed to be they are to make some deals with the inhabitants of this area because they are not supposed to conquer any part of the land in that area. However, instead of diplomacy, the Sihon, king of the Amorites, attacked them. So he waged war against the Israelites. So now the Israelites supposed to be, siyempre, ang alam nila, magpa-pass by lang sila doon. So, ang nangyari ay they inquired of the Lord kung ano yung dapat gawin. And so, ang sabi ni Lord, sige, dahil ganyan, you attack them and you destroy everything on your path. But make sure na hindi kayo magkakanker ng part of the land doon sa area na yon. That's what happened. The Israelites destroyed the cities, the people there in that Arnon Gorge as they pass it, and that they defeated also the Sihon, king of the Amorites. So yun yung nangyari. They defeated Sihon, king of the Amorites, and they passed through the Arnon Gorge and destroyed everything. Dinestroy nila yung mga tao doon, and men, women, children. Sounds like very brutal battles na nangyari, but that was the destruction. Nonetheless, they did not conquer any part of the land in that area. What can we learn from this? Sometimes in our lives, we face these kinds of challenges or kinds of circumstances. We are giving a hand to someone. Maybe we are giving some help. Just like the Israelites, they are just supposed to pass there, and supposed to be they will make a deal or a business with these people that they are going to pass by for their food. Pero yun nga, instead of giving them a hand, yung mga tao doon, they wage war against the Israelites. So ganun minsan ang nangyayari sa buhay natin, no? Sometimes minsan gusto nating tumulong, pero instead that na welcome hand yung ating makukuha, sometimes galit pa sa ibang tao, no? So hindi masyadong maganda minsan yung ating nakukuha sa mga bagay nito, kahit na maganda yung ating intention. Pero ganun pa man, what we can really learn from this is how the Israelites reacted to this one. First, of course, we can see na they inquired of the Lord, and they gave it to the Lord, itong issue na ito. So the Lord granted them permission to destroy those people who will be against them or who will go against them in their path. Apart from that, we can also see that they pay careful attention in following God's instructions, lalo na doon sa pag-conquer. So, hindi na nila kinanker yung ibang lands doon. Kasi yun lang naman talagang intention na, hindi naman yun yung ibinigay sa kanila ng Panginoon. And with this, we can learn a lot from this, no? Huwag tayong sumobra doon sa ibinigay na ng Panginoon sa atin. We have to make sure that we are following the Lord's instructions, no? With that, makikita natin na they were successful because, again, first, they inquired of the Lord, and second, they followed carefully the instructions of the Lord. So, sana ganun tayo, no? Whenever we face challenge, first, the first thing that we are going to do, inquire of the Lord, and secondly, follow the instructions of the Lord. Now, in our context, in our time, the best thing that we can do in quote-unquote following the instructions of the Lord, go back to the Bible, because that's where yung sinasabi ng Panginoon sa atin kung ano yung dapat gawin, no, in various circumstances. No, kung medyo malabo yung mga bagay na ito, we can inquire doon we can inquire sa mga counselors, or minsan sa kay pastor, or sa ating mga church leaders, no, kung ano yung mga dapat gawin. Magkakaroon tayo ng better response sa mga adversities na mga ganito. So with that, we can give a better response with these kinds of adversities. So I hope that this very short devotion, very short reflection on this passage in Deuteronomy chapter 2 verse 32 something that can help us in our walk, and that will be able to know accordingly yung mga bagay na dapat natin matutunan. So yun lang po. God bless, and see you on my next video.